Today I will show you how to create short and also custom URL links. A URL is a specific link to something on the internet. Unfortunately, the URLs to YouTube videos are long and meaningless. My 200 plus videos are spread over 6 YouTube channels, and channel URLs are even longer. I will now show you the short customized URLs to my 6 YouTube channels. As I had previously made short custom URLs for all my YouTube channels, I can't demonstrate it again. HTTPS is optional, and as Magic Tricks was not available, I used Tricks and Puzzles. I recommend the following 2 programs, which are also free. tinyurl is easy to use, and the free version does all that I need. However, depending on your business needs, you may instead choose the free or paid version of Rebandly. I will now show you how to customize the video URL with a meaningful name. After typing tinyurl, click on the suggested link. You have the option to create free account. Password must be at least 8 characters. I will now demonstrate creating a short URL with a custom name without signing in. I am looking in my PC Techtips channel for a video called Normalize MP3 Volume using MP3 Gain. Open the video. Today I will show you a free way to normalize MP3 volume using MP3 Gain. Copy the long URL and paste it into tinyurl. Go down to alias, give it a short name like using MP3 Gain to identify the video. Click on Make Tiny URL. In your list of URLs, find the video and click on Copy. Make another tab, paste new short link and press Enter. To test the link, I will play the video for a few seconds. Today, I will show you a free way to normalize MP3 volume using MP3 Gain. I have now created a free tinyurl account, added my picture and signed in. In my Magic Tricks channel, I am looking to open Trevor's Magic Touch LED.
Hi folks,
I'm just reading my Christmas newsletter from a friend in England who also likes performing magic tricks. Again, copy the video URL and paste it into tinyurl. This time I am not using alias as there is another option, so I just pressed Make tinyurl. Look in the list for the tinyurl ending in TSZ. Click on Rename and replace 2P9ECTSZ with Touch LED. Press on green tick and then on Copy. Open a new tab, paste new short link named Touch LED, then press Enter. To test the link, I will play the video . I hope you enjoyed watching Create Short Custom URL Links. Please look in the description below this online video for short custom URL links to my 6 YouTube channels.